So over here you can see that I have a bunch of sites right here, and they are limited in number right now, so we can see all of the sites. But if you know the name of a site and you're not able to find it, especially when you have a lot of sites built up, then you can use the search box on the top right here. So all you need to do is type in the name that you're searching for. So if I were to type in tutor, you can see that tutor actually pops up right here, and you can click from over here to access out that Google site right there. Let me just go back to home right here, but you may have noticed one thing as well. So if I were to go around and type in tutor, then it shows up the folder, it shows up the other files named tutor as well. So if you want to just search for Google Sites, you can just press enter, and what happens is that it shows up the results within the Google Sites itself right here, just like this. So now you can go around over here and then change it out into owned by me right here, or by not owned by me, or you can go around turn it into list, just like other sites, as you can see right here. It does show up forms and other types as well, but this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with the file search options inside of Google Sites. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.